Hello everyone! Thank you for watching Sena's Trip Tips. This is Sena. Today I'll be introducing my top 3 recommended restaurants and hotels as well as supermarkets in Maldives, Maafushi Island. So, let's go check it out! Maafushi Island is a local island located in Maldives, just 27 kilometers away from Male. It lies in the South Male Atoll. It's a small enough island to easily walk around the whole island. About 2,700 local people live on the island, and ever since the island had been open to tourists a few years ago, it has been one of the most popular local islands in Maldives. It's a dream island because you get to enjoy the most beautiful beach and enjoy marine activities at a budget price. And for those that are wondering, I'll let you know what kind of food, accommodation, and shopping you can enjoy on this beautiful local island. Let's start out from food. Here are my top 3 best Maafushi restaurants. Number 1. Fine Bake by Susie. Okay, this isn't really a restaurant, it's a bakery. But wow, I tell you, their pastries and cakes are all so good. It's definitely the #1 bakery, a place that you can enjoy the most tasteful food on the island. It's highly rated on TripAdvisor too. I love this bakery so much that I would go nearly every day during my stay in Maafushi. There are so many different kinds of savory and sweet pastries. My ultimate favorite was the banana bread. It's actually their signature. I just took a peek inside and the pastries and cakes look delicious. They have my favorite carrot cake and of course her signature banana cake as well. I am surely gonna buy those. I'm thinking this is where she bakes. She said she bakes pastries every night and cakes in the morning. And the windows are super cute. Look at these pictures, they're so cute. And I see lots of tourists go inside the shop as well, and of course local people also. I just saw a lot of local families buy bread from the bakery as well. It's very popular. So there's always lots of people here. Is it nice? Yeah. Thanks.
Please.
Oh wow, thank you. Is this the fruit cake?
Yes.
Ooh. Itadakimasu. So this is the fruit cake. Looks yummy. What fruits are in here?
This cocktail, fruit cocktail.
Very nice.
Like it?
Very soft. You could taste the cake batter very much. It's not too sweet, so very easy to eat. Good for kids as well, I think. There's fish bun, sausage, mayo, vegetable chicken roll, chicken bun. Ooh, the hot dogs look quite good. Yeah. Ooh, and the sausage bun looks good too. And this is the cake section, I believe. Ooh, this is the banana bread we had yesterday. It was so nice. I am gonna buy them today. So I got the carrot cake and the banana cake. And I will come back tomorrow to try some more. They actually have donuts, I didn't realize, but they're sold out today. So I'm gonna come back. The owner of the bakery is Susie. I was lucky I got to be friends with her as she shared many stories about her passion towards baking and serving customers with her recipe. All of our baked goods have high quality, so it's definitely a must-go when you're in Maafushi. Delicious! Very good! I can taste the banana very much. Very soft, chewy as well, and I love how it's so warm. Okay, she just told me that these go very well with cream cheese. Oh my god, that sounds so good. She also bakes them with chocolate chips, and she also does a banana upside down cake, and that sounds really good, but she only makes them occasionally. Riku's having Susie's banana bread for breakfast. Do you like it? Do you like Susie's banana bread? It's nice, isn't it? Yeah, you like it, don't you? Yeah, he likes it. Number 2, Arena Beach Restaurant. This is a buffet-style restaurant open from breakfast, lunch to dinner. It's located at Arena Beach Hotel. This restaurant is most likely to be always ranked #1 on any website. They have a wide range of dishes lined up from local to international food, including vegetarian, vegan, gluten-free, and halal food too. At the buffet, chefs will be standing to cook you fresh food, like omelets for breakfast and pasta for dinner. Why I recommend this restaurant is not only because of the variety and best taste of their dishes, but also because of the atmosphere. They have outdoor seatings, on the beach, on the sand. Not only can you enjoy the delicious food, but you can also overlook one of the most beautiful turquoise oceans in the world. During dinner hours, they will light candles on each table and have live music too. How romantic is that? The servers and chefs are very kind and friendly. They also do have an a la carte menu. The price is $12 per person. It's a perfect restaurant ideal for anyone, families, friends, and couples. You can't miss it.
It smells nice.
Number 3. Pizza and pasta Mamma Mia. For someone who loves Italian food like me, this restaurant will serve your needs.
This is a restaurant recommended by one of the staffs in the hotel. And we wanted Western food, so let's check it out.
They have a full list of different kinds of pasta and pizza, and their pizzas are thin crust and especially good. They also have burgers and sandwiches. They have a wide range of mocktails, and I've tried some of them and they were really good too. Very refreshing. If you want authentic Italian food, just go to Mamma Mia. These are my top 3 recommended restaurants, but of course there are many other restaurants on the island as well. Susie's Cafe Quench is a restaurant run by, yes, that's right, Susie from the bakery. We also went to this restaurant several times to enjoy different kinds of international food like pasta, curry, and biryani rice. They also do serve fresh pastries and cakes from Fine Bake by Susie, so it could also be a cafe for afternoon tea.
It's the cafe that I came across the other day, and there were so many people and it smelled so good, so I decided to try and come over. It's chicken fried rice, by the way.
There's also Mr. Octopus, a seafood restaurant, Symphony Lagoon at Crystal Sands Beach Hotel, a buffet-style restaurant which was Yongi's favorite, and lots more. By the way, I got to try some local snacks in Maldives since Susie was so kind to go buy some for us.
There's inside coconut and tuna fish, lemon, onion, garlic, ginger, curry leaves.
Yeah, it's like dried curry. You can see the inside. Super nice. It's like curry puffs. Good.
Now on to hotels. Before I go into the ranking, here are some useful information to take note when booking hotels. As mentioned earlier, Maafushi is a small island. You can walk from one end to another in 15 minutes. Since everywhere is walking distance, there are no transportation methods such as cars that tourists can use, which makes it quite important to consider the location of the hotel to make your stay on the island convenient. First, let's look at the northwest area. This area has the port, which is the gateway to Maafushi Island. All excursion tours also depart from this port, so the nearer your hotel is to the port, the better. The Bikini Beach, the most popular beach amongst tourists, excursion centers, restaurants, and comparatively high-class hotels on the island are all located within this area as well. By the way, even though they are high-class hotels, they aren't so expensive. It's only about $75 to $190 per night, so it's the best to stay at a hotel located in this area. Next, the northeastern area. The west side of the island is the tourism area, and the east is where all the local residents live. Beaches that are located in the east side are also all local beaches, meaning it's not really meant for tourists. And restaurants too. You may want to stay at a hotel on the east side if you're looking for a beautiful sunrise. There are many budget class and middle class hotels too. Although the quality might not be as good, the rooms are clean for its price, and most of them are located fairly near the port. But they're located in the central part of the island, so unfortunately you won't be able to enjoy a sea view. If you want to save your accommodation fee, make sure to check out these hotels too. Finally, the south. This is a completely local area. It's the main residential area, and there are a lot less hotels and restaurants for tourists. The Maafushi prison is also located here. Unless you have a particular reason, I don't think there's a need to go to the south area. Keep all this in mind and you'll know how to choose hotels and navigate around the island. So here are the top 3 hotels that I recommend on Maafushi Island. Number 1. Connie Palm Beach. Taking the characteristics of different areas of the island into consideration, I would like to recommend the hotels owned by the Connie Group. The Connie Group is the largest hotel group on the island that owns several hotels of different ranks, so they are very reliable. Out of all the hotels that they own, the most recommended is the Connie Palm Beach, located in the northwest area. This is the Connie Group's newest hotel that just opened in February 2020. The best thing about this hotel is that they have the one and only gorgeous infinity pool. The hotel wasn't open yet in November 2019 when I was there, so I definitely have to go check it out. Number 2. Connie Grand Seaview. This hotel is also owned by the Connie Group. Compared to all the other Connie Group hotels, the Connie Grand Seaview has the most high brand reputation, and you'll know why when you see their clean and beautiful rooms. The Bikini Beach is right in front of the hotel, and it's very convenient to access anywhere. The restaurant in the hotel is also high in quality. Number 3. Arena Beach Hotel. Arena Beach is also one of the high-class hotels located in the northwest area, and I'm quite sure this is the only hotel that has the similar quality to the Connie Grand Seaview. What makes this hotel so good is that even though it's as nice as the Connie Grand Seaview, the price is cheaper, so it is a great deal. We'll be staying in Arena Grand Beach. It's one of the good hotels in Maafushi. There's a lot of people on the lobby, so yeah, I'm looking forward to staying here. Let's go check it out!
Wow, すごい。
Thank you! Hey, we're in our room! And I am surprised at the view! Check it out! Whoa! Wow, wow.
Wow.
The beach right in front of the hotel is almost like Arena's private beach, and its beauty is top-notch. I also think they have the best hotel restaurant on the island, as I've already introduced beforehand in the restaurant ranking. The staff are very kind too, and I recommend staying here a lot.
So we are trying to go to the supermarket on the island.
There are several supermarkets and pharmacies on the island, so you won't have to be worried about buying groceries, snacks, and other general commodities. They have nearly everything you need there.
So I think we found a supermarket. Let's check it out.
Supermarket.
Oh, look, so like they have fruits, they have snacks.
子供用品もあります。うわー、せなちゃんカップ麺ある。せなちゃんカップ麺あるよ。
Ooh, they're Korean, right? They're in Korean. Yeah. Let's go check out the other supermarket. And we are walking along the street, and it's so cute because the walls are like painted in very colorful colors, like blue, orange, and pink. See that? It's so cute. By the way, there's a few supermarkets on the island, but they're all the same, I think. This is so cute. I've never seen this brand before. There's calming lotion. They even have like a bubble bath formula. It's very cute.
お菓子は何でもあると。おむつもあると。とりあえずいろいろありそう。
So here's another supermarket. Pretty local, but it has everything you need. Bunch of snacks, ice cream, juice, and they're all chilled, which is nice. And a bunch of toiletries and snacks, so no need to worry about toiletries because there are a lot of toiletry shops here. So we are back at our hotel. We went to buy some food and drinks at the supermarket. So one is a spicy cup noodle, and this is non-alcoholic beer. They only sell non-alcoholic beer on this island because this is an Islamic island. If we go on excursion tours to other resort hotels, you're able to drink alcohol. There's a lot of baby goods in the supermarkets. Well, it depends on the supermarket, but the one I went into had so many baby goods. So if you're traveling with a baby, you don't have to worry anything about it. They have diapers, lotions, shampoo, anything. So everything is quite convenient. We can get anything at the supermarkets. There's lots of supermarkets. So yeah, nothing to worry about.
So that's it! Thank you for watching Sena's Trip Tips. If you now know more about Maafushi Island, give us a huge like. And if you'll continue the journey with us, make sure to subscribe. Thank you! Bye!
Going to a shark excursion today.